Alright guys, well I just want to give you guys an update on this Cabrio. I know guys hassled me on the last video about how it's pronounced. Cabrio, whatever dude, I really don't care. Maytag washer. But I did the bearings, I did the drive shaft, and we picked up a new washer when we moved, so this one's going out to the trash tomorrow. This was done in December of 2017. It is now February 10th of 2020. And I took everything apart, took the stator and the rotor off, and wanted to see how the bearing actually looked. So I wanted to see if it was leaking, and it's actually not leaking. When I was taking all this stuff apart, I saw all this residue and saw kind of these streak marks like here, and I thought, oh man, it's leaking again. But once I got further inspection, I found that it's actually not leaking. I think this is just remains or remnants from the last time I did the job. But if you guys are trying to get a little bit more life out of your Cabrio washer, this is always a good option. And I'll put a link in the description below of where I show you how to do the bearing, the drive shaft. There's two bearings. You got to take this nut off. You got to take the inner tub out. It's not really all that hard, just more time consuming than anything. Just make sure you don't mess up this, because these are copper windings that actually turn the tub on the inside. And then you have this sensor here that goes onto it as well. So maybe I should cut that off for you guys if somebody needs it. Yeah, you know what? I'll go ahead. I'll cut that off. And if somebody needs it, send me an email, bundysgarage@gmail.com, and I'll send it out to you if you need that sensor, because this thing's going to the trash tomorrow. So there you go, guys. So another 2 years I got out of this washer, and it was probably running every other day, every 3 days. We're a family of 4 with 2 little kids, so definitely it got worked hard. So there you go, guys. Like I said earlier, I'll put a link in the description below where I show you how to do the bearings, but this is just an update, and it's held for 2 years. But you guys take it easy.